A relation is shown on the graph below. Oh, look at that. It's a terrible looking piecewise function. Linear, nonlinear, linear, straight line, linear, open, closed holes. Terrible, 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 terrible. Which statement explains why this relation is not a function? Well, tell you what, let's use the vertical line test and find out why it won't be a function. The vertical line test says if you take a vertical line and pass it through your graph, if at any point your vertical line hits the graph more than once, it is not a function. Now, we're good. Beep, 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 beep. We're good. Here, we've got nothing, but that's okay. You're allowed to hit nothing. Beep, 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 beep. Now, if you're looking at, beep. Now, if you're looking at that and you're scared, it's okay. This is an open hole, which means it doesn't count. That is a closed point, which means it does. So right now, we are still in good shape. Beep, 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 beep. Right here, my vertical line hits 2 closed points, hits 2 dots. Therefore, it is not a function. So, why is this not a function? I know in my head it's not a function because at x equals -2 it hits 2 dots. So at x equals -2 the relation has 2 closed points. There you have it. Okay. Everything else is true. Everything else is good. That's it. We're done.